So discussing question number 8 of aldehydes and ketones back questions, it says, how will you convert ethanol to the following compounds? Now all of us know what ethanol is, CH3CHO. The first part says how will you convert it to butane 1,3-diol, that is this compound butane 1,3-diol. Now we have already discussed in detail the aldol condensation reaction. So if you carry out aldol condensation of ethanol, what you get is now from this compound that you've got by doing the first step of aldol condensation, I repeat, by doing the first step of aldol condensation of ethanol, you take two ethanol molecules over here. So by doing that first step you get this compound. Now you have to convert this compound to this particular alcohol. If I notice over here, this OH remains intact while this CHO has to get converted. This CHO has to get converted to CH2OH. That means the aldehyde has to get converted to the alcohol with same number of carbon atoms, right? So what can I do over here? I have to carry out reduction. So I will be using a reducing agent. Since I'm moving only one step backwards, so I will use a mild reducing agent. Even if you use LiAlH4 over here, that will be absolutely correct. Now my next compound is but2-enol. I have to convert ethanol to but2-enol. This we have already done a number of times. Again, I carry out the aldol condensation. First step of aldol condensation of ethanol, giving me and then if I dehydrate, that is the second step of aldol condensation. If I dehydrate, from this position, which is your alpha position, H is removed, and from the beta position, OH is removed, giving me a double bond between alpha and beta, showing me unsaturation between alpha and beta. The third part asks me to convert ethanol to but2-enoic acid. Again, first of all, I carry out the aldol condensation. First step of aldol condensation gives me CH3CHOH, CH2CHO. The second step, that is dehydration, again gives me CH3CH double bond CH, CHO. What do I have to form? but2-enoic acid. All of you can draw the structure of but2-enoic acid. Now in these two compounds, if we compare, the only difference is between these two functional groups. So I am converting the aldehyde to the carboxylic acid. How do I convert it? Simply by oxidation. So I am moving only one step forward, that is from my aldehyde to the carboxylic acid. So I can use a mild oxidizing agent, PCC. You can also use CrO3.